Okay, I think we've started again. Hi guys. Hi guys. I just wanted to show you guys a new Figma plugin I've discovered. And if you follow me on Twitter, you know I'm pretty big on the Figma plugins. I think it's a really interesting ecosystem and there's a lot of possibility here. And this is just one of the many examples that has come out recently. So the example here is Vectary 3D. And Vectary 3D seems to be, I wasn't familiar with them before today, but they seem to be like an in-browser 3D modeling application. But they've created a Figma plugin that allows you to use one of their models and to easily sort of inject that into Figma. But the cool thing that the plugin allows you to do, and I'll show you in a second, is that it allows you to take frames, so that's something that you've designed, and to project that on top of one of their models. So this is very useful if you want to create a like an iPhone mock or any smartphone mock to put onto your landing page. So you can see it in here in their hero image. They've got like a smartphone here with some design on top. This is what it allows you to do. So that's really cool. So it's really easy. You just go to Figma, you go to the plugin directory, and you press install. And then here I'm just designing the website for my agency, Pocket Revolutions, and I wanted to put some mock-ups here, but for now I just had these filler mock-ups. So I wanted to showcase some client work. So I got my client's design here in a separate frame. So all I do is I go to Plugins, Vectary 3D. I think that the iPhone 11 is the default. Let's just give it a second to load. Yes, it is. So I want so you can change this perspective however you want. And this is what these other tools won't let you do. You can download these vector packs or these pre-rendered packs, and they have some nice images, but they either have like this perspective or this one, but not. Like, if you really want to tweak it to your heart's desire, that's not possible. So here it is. So I like sort of like this perspective. So then my perspective is done. Then I select the frame here, and I press Use Selected Frame. Sorry, my computer just freezes up sometimes. There, it's processing. So it's going to render a preview. The preview can be kind of ugly. So judging by how long it wasn't taking this long the last time I ran it. So maybe they're running some stuff in the browser and it's taking longer because I'm running the stream. So this preview actually doesn't look so bad. But that's it. Then you press Save View as Image. It processes a bit more. Let's give it a second. And there we have it. We have a very clean iPhone mock. So I'm just going to put that onto my frame. Make sure it's not inside a frame. And let's see if we can move that all the way up. Resize it a bit. So we've got a beautiful showcase of an iPhone in my design here. And the quality is really excellent. Looks really nice. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys check out Vectary 3D. This is all for free, and I'll be uploading them for sure on Product Hunt. Thanks for tuning in.